how to make macaroni salad.
Mga bambay.
Maraming binili. I-stock na siya.
Pang poultry lang yan. Sige,
Put your macaroni. Boil macaroni. Video.
Okay.
Wow. Celery.
Sige.
Celery.
Ay!
Pickles. This is dosihoy.
Pineapple tidbits.
Pineapple. Carrots. That's enough. Cut the chicken. Cut the carrots.
Oh, stop na. Later again.
Cut and some puwet.
Stop na. Pause na.
Chicken.
May lasa.
Let's taste chicken. Let's eat chicken. Let's taste. Let's eat chicken. Let's see. Let's eat.
Pa tayo nagsisimula ay binabawasan ng ingredients ko.
Chicken.
Wash ka ba ng hand?
Let's eat chicken.
May buto. Oh no. Later muna, later. Pag meron na, pag minimix na natin.
Cut carrots.
Oh, stop na. Later again, later. Stop.
Let me try.
Huwag mo muna feed.
Cut the pickles.
Okay, then pause. Pause na. Uy, stop video. Cheese.
Slice the cheese.
Mga bossing, ito 4 na pirasong 2 kilos. Dumbbell.
Oh, dumbbell. Ganda ng dumbbell ba yun?
Ano yan?
Dumbbell.
Pero kung gusto niyo pa puminis, yun yan. Starts right lang.
Enough na yun. So, meron na ba?
Let me try cheese. Cheese. Let's eat cheese. Let me try cheese. Let me try cheese. Let's eat cheese. And then
They have it. Ito set. They have it.
put your
Blue mayonnaise.
blue mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Put your mayonnaise.
Ano mayonnaise? Mayo.
Put your mayo.
Mayonnaise.
Put your
Mayonnaise. Mayo na lang. Put your mayo.
put your mayonnaise.
Okay.
Put your
Oh, later pa.
mayonnaise.
I-taste pa natin lahat ng mixture.
And
Put your cream. Mix. A little bit pepper. Put your a little bit pepper. Wow, yeah.
Pwede
Mix.
ba pepper lang na?
pink salt, pink salt, meat,
Kulang yung sauce na.
cut the onion,
Ah,
cut the onion, chicken, pineapple, onion. Listen, put your cream,
dito yung
put your
cheese.
cheese.
Okay. Mamaya na. Dito na.
Like and subscribe.